Look at me, I'm look at me, I'm
Hi guys, today we're going to do a great experiment. We're going to produce plasma out of grapes. Now let's get started. Let's explain a bit of the science behind it. So we've got some grapes here and the microwave is roughly going at, its frequency is 2.45 gigahertz. That's the frequency of the microwave, and that means the microwave lengths are roughly around 12 centimeters apart through air. So therefore, solid object like this grape is roughly 1.2 centimeters. The microwave's traveling through it that sort of way. So what the plan is, we're going to slice these grapes in half like that. And at that rate, you see, with it being water and lots of potassium in it, therefore, we should get plasma coming out of that grape somewhere around this grape. Now, I have tried this experiment before, obviously, and I know it does work. I don't know if it works on anything else, but it definitely works on grapes. It probably works on other similar foods, fruit that's squishy with high density of water or liquids or something that are roughly around the same sort of size as these grapes, to be honest, because it has to be the same sort of size to get through the microwave's of the 1/10 of the 12 centimeters. I know it sounds complicated, so let's not bother with the complication bits. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so we got the two grapes and I've split them but in half, but not quite in half. As you see here, can you see that there? I've left the skin there, so they are attached. Look, that's the very important. That's where the plasma will react on this section here. We'll zoom in a bit for you just in case.
Howdy.
So folks, there you go. So there's the grapes that have just been microwaved. Look a bit weird now. And there's the burning points. They feel strange as well to touch, but I wouldn't really try this at home if you well, especially if your parents are around anyway, just in case. So that's it. That's the experiment. So you can make plasma from grapes. I wonder what you could do with the plasma and how do you actually capture the plasma. That's another experiment for another time, I think. When the I don't know, you just have to see what you could do with it. Is it possible to capture plasma? Who knows? So I hope you like that experiment. So there you go, that'll keep you busy, that'll give you something to think about. And the house stinks now like you wouldn't believe. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos.